Hi ladies. Okay, so Lori asked for me to send a Camtasia video, which I'm getting ready to do right now. And so bear with me. I'm outside and hopefully it'll be quiet enough. But so here's our main page, 5th grade wiki, and this is where you click every time you want to go back to the main page. And this is the address, and it's HTTPS, not just HTTP. And Lori, if you go to the link that I sent you, it should take you here. You will need to log in. So the best way to do that is to go into the page where you would log in. So I believe that if I go back to the email that I sent, trying to figure out how you get to this page, but this is the page that you want to get to, and you just enter in a username and password, which is the email username and password that you have at Funhill. And then if you click Remember Me and log in. So basically, if you go to just the wiki.org address, let's see what happens. Okay, you'll probably get this page. If you get this page, you click My Page. And then right here where it says Log Out, it would probably say Log In. So you'd go here, and then you put in your email username and password, and then log in. That is probably the best way for you to log into the page, unless you can go directly to the page and then log in. So we're just going to wait a second for it to log in. So how's your summer? Sorry, it's slow. Maybe because I'm outside. Oh yes, my Wi-Fi is kicking me off. Okay. So if you go here, if you get to this page, Lori, and you just search for 5th, you might even be able to go to My Pages, because I did assign this page to you. Sorry if it's complicated. And then the 5th grade wiki should show up. If it doesn't, then if you just type in 5th grade wiki up here in the search engine, it should show up over here for you to click on. So I'm just going to go to the 5th grade wiki from here, and there it is. And I know that you've been given permission to be an administrator of this page, because this is the front page. And if you look here, administrative functions, if you go into settings, this is the main page, and if you go into permissions, I gave everyone permission to access it with their username and password, and I made the 4 of us administrators, and wiki admin is just so that Andrew and Rick can get on as well if they need to. The comments section, I just said only anonymous comments. We could say none, no moderation of comments, but I thought that if anybody hacks in, we certainly don't want their comment. But again, we can talk about this. So you're on there, so you should be able to log in. And then if you go back up to 5th grade, and if you go to Math and Science, and if you go into Math, so the pen here is the key. If you click on the pen, it gives you all of these tools. So I noticed that we have Math and Math twice, so I'm just going to get rid of this Math. And the pen is where you can edit everything. So this gives you a way to increase or decrease the font. This is for bullets or outdent or indent. This is for the kind of look of the font, plain, bold, italicized, underline. This is where you would add a new page to our website or enter a URL to link from the website. This one is to upload media, videos, and images. This is for attachments. This is for a table. And this is, it gives you all of the language, and you could embed a video this way so it actually shows up as a video. I can show you how to do that later. So anyway, so this is the page, and save. So that is where you can get inside the page and do things to it. Now the first two I've already done, so that when you click on the chapter 1, it's still 5th grade wiki. So you don't have to worry about chapters 1 and 2, but chapter 3, when you click on, it says Denise Yassine's class wiki. So what you need to do is, you don't even have to hit the pen to do this. You just copy the page, all of the content, copy, and then you go back here with this arrow, and this is the page for math. So then you go to the pen, and you highlight chapter 3, and then you go here and you want a new page. And because you highlighted it, it titles that page the same as the previous page, which is what you want. And then you create. And what that gives you are 2 of the same titles, and you want to get rid of the one to the right. So you can just highlight that and delete it. Then save. So what you've created now is a chapter 3 page that's blank except for jibber jabber here. And then you go to the pen, and I do Command A to highlight everything, and then I just delete it, and then Command V to paste everything that was on that page, or you could just 2-finger touch and paste it. And there it is. There's the page without my name. And then you save, always save. And voila, there is the chapter 3 page without it being my page. And you can go back and do that to all of the pages. So you can go back 1, the arrow, and you could do the same with chapter 4, on and down. And again, I don't know how you guys are going to want to create the wiki, based on how you integrate, but at least this is a start. And again, always you can go to the first page by clicking that, and there you go. So we'll work on this together, but if you want to play around, Lori, the one thing you need to know is that you can't really hurt it because of this awesome feature. Right here where it says edited today by me, if you click this, it gives you all of the changes that have been made. So if you feel like you've messed something up, you can just go back to the most recent change, and if you click it, you can restore it back to that page. So, play with it. Don't be afraid. You can't hurt it. We can always bring anything back that you accidentally got rid of, and so, that's no problem at all. So I hope that was helpful, and if you have more questions, don't hesitate to ask, and we'll talk to you later.